So hello everyone, how are you all? In our last class we have talked about some models and we have discussed about can, could, should, must, may and might. In our today's class we are going to discuss about some more models. Okay, so let's begin. First we will talk about would. Would is used for past habit, and polite request. Now we are talking about would. Would is used for past habit and polite request. If in your sentence you will find like some words like please, kindly that express the request. Okay, now then you have to use modal would like would you please help? Would you please help me? In this sentence you can see please. If you find please and kindly, and if your sentence express the polite request, then you have to use modal would. Okay, and if we talk about past habits, some habits that we had in our past but now we are not addicted of them. Okay, now then we have to use would for this type of habits. So like I can say, for example, we can say like I would take tea. I would take tea in my childhood. I would take tea in my childhood. This is an example of past habit. Okay. Now we will talk about our next model, will and shall. Will and shall. Both the models are used for determination. Both the models are used for determination. If we talk for will and shall both are used for determination. In future simple tense we have studied that shall is used with I and we and will is used with other subjects. But in models it will become opposite. Okay. With I and we will use will, and with other subject we will use shall. This is used for determination. Determination means when we are angry or we are very sad and then we take an oath. Okay, now then when we take the oath, it means we have to use modal will and shall. Okay, for example, I can say like this year I will surely get first rank in class. Surely, certainly, these are the words that express the determination. That is the use of will and shall. Okay, so in our last class and in our today's class we have studied about some models. I am going to tell you all the models again firstly so that you understand them very well. First we talk about can and could. Both the models are used for power. Okay, now but can is used for present power and could is used for past power. Okay, then next we study about should and must. Both the models are used for advice. Should and must, both the models are used for advice. But should is used for non-compulsory advice and must is used for compulsory advice that we have to follow. Then we talk about may and might. May and might. May is used for more possibility and might is used for less possibility. Both the models are used for possibility. But may is used for more possibility and might is used for less or remote possibility. And may is the use of may, some more uses of may, like for wish, bless, curse, permission. For this type of sentence we have to use modal may. And would is used for past habit and polite request. Then we talk about will and shall. These models are used for determination. Now there are some special rules like At the place of should we can also use ought to with the first form, okay? And if you find lest, lest, if you find lest in your sentence, then you surely have to use modal should. Okay? These are modals and our this topic has completed. I hope you understand it very well. In our next class we will discuss about a new topic. Thank you.